Oh no, what happened to this park? Someone threw trash on the ground. This makes our world dirty. Littering hurts animals, people, and nature.
No, don't litter.
Yes, put trash in the bin. Wow, the park is clean again. We are clean heroes. We protect our world. Can you be a hero too? Say it with us. I will not litter.